Okay, let's start with a question. If AI can already write code, why would anyone spend time learning Python? It's a fair question. You can open an AI tool, describe what you want, and seconds later, code appears on the screen. So does that make learning programming pointless? Not really. Because AI changed one part of programming. The typing. It didn't remove the thinking. The hard part was never writing code. It's understanding a problem, breaking it into steps, and knowing whether the solution actually works. Think of it like a calculator. A calculator doesn't eliminate the need to understand math. And AI doesn't eliminate the need to understand programming. In fact, the people getting the most value from AI today are often the people who understand how software works. So, if you're going to learn programming, why do so many people start with Python? Let's find out. First, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language, a way of giving instructions to a computer. But unlike many programming languages, Python was designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Take a look at this. Even if you've never programmed before, you can probably guess what it does. It prints the word hello on the screen. That's one reason Python became so popular. It lets beginners focus on ideas, not syntax. But being easy to read isn't enough. A language also needs to be useful. And Python is used almost everywhere. Imagine you need to send a personalized email to 100 different clients. Doing it one by one takes all afternoon. Python can send them all in seconds. Or maybe you have a giant spreadsheet full of data. Python can analyze it, find patterns, and turn it into charts. And then there's AI. Many of the tools behind modern AI are built using Python. But that's only part of the story. Python is also used for websites, automation, scientific research, data analysis, and thousands of everyday tasks. Now you might be wondering, if Python can do all of that, why doesn't everyone use it for everything? Because every programming language has trade-offs. Some languages are built for maximum speed. Some are built for maximum control. Python sits in a very interesting middle ground. It's powerful enough to build real things, but simple enough for beginners to learn. That's a rare combination. And it's one of the biggest reasons millions of people start with Python every year. There's another misconception worth clearing up. A lot of people think programming is only for software engineers. But today you'll find Python in science, healthcare, finance, research, education, and businesses of every size. Because programming isn't really about becoming a programmer. It's about learning how to solve problems with computers. And that's the real reason people learn Python. Not because it's trendy. Not because it's the only language. But because it's one of the easiest ways to turn ideas into working tools. Every website, every app, every AI tool, and every automation started somewhere. Usually with a single line of code. And that's where you start too. I've put a quick step-by-step installation guide in the description below to get you set up in under 2 minutes. Once you're ready, join me in the next video where we'll write our very first program together. Let's go.